In the metals quadrant, industrial metals, or base metals as they're called, all up, but gold falls almost 0.75% today, falling for only the fourth session in the last 14. That flight to safety being taken out of gold based off of mainly the economic number we got this morning, non-farm payrolls. Huge beat on the headline number, 312 versus 184. Huge additions in the revisions, 58,000 jobs added. The moving average now, the 3-month moving average of jobs is at 254,000 jobs being added per month. That's an expansionary number. It's a very big number. We had the unemployment rate jump to 3.9%, but that goes along with a jump in the labor force participation rate. So that's essentially a wash, and wages up 11 cents. That's up 0.4% month over month versus an expectation of 0.3 and a last of 0.2, and year over year now up 3.2%. All of these things pointing to stronger jobs and perhaps a more hawkish Fed. But we got soothing words from Jerome Powell this morning. Jerome Powell, in a panel that he was on with Janet Yellen, essentially said that the Fed might slow down if the data said so, and that they were concerned about recent developments in the market. So that gave the idea to the stock market that the Fed was actually on their side. Stocks jumping today, Dow up 750 some odd points on the highs, and that really took the bid, that flight to safety bid, out of gold pretty dramatically. Again, this is only the first down day for gold in the last 14, and it was quite a washout being the end of the week. It was high volume. Now lastly, when you look at the chart itself on gold, gold had an outside range day. So what is an outside range day? Well, you need 3 consecutive up sessions or down sessions, but let's just talk about what actually happened on this chart. We had 3 or more consecutive up sessions, and then we had a day with a higher high and a lower low and a lower close. That's what we had today. That's called an outside range day. That is a reversal pattern. It can be anywhere down to from 0.5% to 3% from that particular technical pattern. It was a perfectly set up technical pattern. It shows some technical bearishness, might come into gold as well, especially if we get that close, or rather that open on Monday and an even lower candle. That should push some of the speculative longs out of gold as well. This bearish technical pattern combined with some of the powerful data that we got this week and Powell's words could mean at least a slowdown in the recent gold rally.